Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, sir. You can start with the presentation.
Sorry for the delay, sir. Sir, good morning, sir. The project is Central Lockup Monitoring System, sir. Uh, Sir, basically, this is project was conceived by Supreme Court of India, sir. Supreme Court has recently given guidelines to all the states to install CCTV cameras at each and every police station and places where there is interrogation getting carried out, sir. So as part of this, sir, each and every place of the police station except bathrooms needs to be covered with CCTV cameras, sir. So the interrogation and wherever the places where accused is getting held and interrogated, these places should be covered under CCTV cameras, sir. Sir, one more aspect is that this should have night vision capability and audio and video recording facility as well, sir. So this data must be stored for 18 months period, sir. So these are some of the guidelines that were given by Supreme Court, sir. So the basic objective of this project is, sir, to have to improve the behavior of police and police officers with citizens in police stations, sir. So to ensure that offenders are not subjected to excessive force or favorism by police, sir, to prevent unauthorized detentions, to improve transparency and accountability on part of police, and to enhance the overall image of the police, sir. So basically, as part of this project, sir, all the lockups of police stations will be live monitored, sir. So CCTV cameras will be fixed in lockup, sir. So it will have a two-way audio system, sir, wherein the voice that is spoke by accused in the cells will be recorded and it will be transmitted to the central server, and whatever the instructions that are given by the senior officers will also be transmitted to the audio conferencing system, sir. So it will have a UPS facility and local storage as well, sir. And the centralized storage system will be established at police data centers, sir. Sir, basically this project in AP, we are implementing it in two phases, sir. In the first phase, we are covering 500 police stations, which are highly crime-prone areas. These police stations will be fixed with this surveillance equipment in all the lockups, sir. We'll cover the remaining police stations in the second phase, sir. So this is the network diagram of the CLMS project, sir. So we'll have the servers sitting at our police headquarters, and these will be interconnected with all the police stations where the CCTVs are installed, sir. So we'll have 4-channel NVR which records all these things, and we'll have backup of UPS so that any power interruptions are mitigated. Sir, the present status is we have already floated the tender, sir. We have identified the bidder. We have placed purchase order for 5.36 crores, sir. And as a pilot, we have already implemented this in few of the police stations in Vijayawada city, sir. So presently we are providing 30-day backup at police stations and 7-day storage backup at police headquarters, sir. We have provided internet connectivity of 15 or 50 Mbps based on the connectivity available at police stations to all police stations, sir. We have 500 Mbps connectivity at police headquarters, sir, for streaming all the cameras at central location. So the benefits of this project will be, sir, human rights violations at police stations will be under check, sir. Accountability of police will be improved. Lockup deaths will be minimized, sir. Live monitoring of offenders from police station level and will be available at state level, sir. For each and every police officer, live monitoring of police offenders from police cells will be available, sir. So with this, the police stations will become citizen friendly, sir. That's it from our side, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for your presentation, sir. So we'll quickly move to the questions now. Bhushan Ward, sir, you can
Yes,
start.
I think it's an excellent effort which you have done. I really like the architecture and everything that you've done. I have only one comment to be made. Since this has been done under the supervision guidelines issued by police,
డైరెక్ట్ మీటింగ్ ఐడి ఇచ్చేసి మనం హాజరు దీనికి ఆల్రెడీ
sorry,
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లోని పోటీటాలకు మెయిల్ ఐడి అవన్నీ ఉన్నాయి.
sorry, since it has been done, executed under the guidelines or recommendations of Supreme Court, I have only one thing to add, that the monitoring or the auditing of the data which is being captured through the lockups should be done by a judiciary body, an independent body than the police itself, which could be a judiciary body, because that will bring about a better transparency in the process, what is expected to be adopted. Because if it is within police, then that openness does not come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Supreme Court has already given guidelines for forming state level monitoring committees and district level monitoring committees as well, sir. Government
Okay.
already issued GIVO in this.
Because that was not covered in your presentation, so I just wanted to bring out that point. That's okay. If it is already there, then it's excellent.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So it's a really a very good project to bring out transparency while the prisoners are in lockup and what activities are going on. I just wanted to understand how long do you keep the recordings with your system, or they will remain there forever?
No, sir. Sir, basically Supreme Court has given guidelines for storing data for 18 months at police station level, sir. So what we have done is we have taken a backup of, we are keeping a backup of 30 days at central headquarters, sir.
Okay, then where it goes?
It will be archived, sir. Whatever the data which we require, we will archive, sir. Others will go out, sir. Will be rewritten.
So if something wrong has happened, then and the court want to access it, then there is a procedure to
No, sir. Only 18 months of backup is managed by court, sir.
So what happens to the data afterward?
It will be rewritten, sir. We cannot store the cost-effective part is storage, sir.
But our judiciary system is, or the whenever some court proceeding starts, it takes a lot of time. So if some case is opened after maybe 2 years, so whether this type of data will be available to the courts?
Sir, this whatever the incident that happens in the police station, the backup will be taken during that period only, sir. It will be captured during that period only. It will be stored. It will be stored, sir.
Okay. So storage.
There is no incident. Where there is no incident, the data will be rewritten, sir. It will not be taking backup of that.
Okay. Thank you. Good efforts.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
Next is also from Andhra Pradesh. Court Place, for the project Court Place. Center is Mr. P. Mahesh. Is Mr. P. Mahesh available here?